this video, I will tell you 10 new Perplexity Comet browser use cases, of which the first and third can literally save you money. And if you don't know what I am talking about, then Perplexity recently made its Comet browser available for everyone, and it has some really insane use cases. Also, if you have a student ID, you can get access to 1 month of Pro plan for free, which usually costs $20, and you can extend this free plan for up to 2 years, which is worth $480. If you want to know how you can do that, you can check this video. To follow along with this video, you can download Comet by clicking on the first link in the description. Now, let's start with the use cases. The first use case is finding the cheapest or best flights and comparing them all to find the best options. I will enter a prompt saying take control of the browser and find the best round trip tickets for a 1-week vacation to New Zealand from Washington. Hit enter and you can see that the AI is now looking at the Skyscanner website and finding the best flight options. This process might take some time depending on your locations or mode of transport. After a while, you can see that we have 3 different flight options with their timings, stops, duration and price. And if you want to check the source of this information, you can find them here. Just click on one of them and you will be taken to the exact page from where this flight information was taken. This way, you can know about all the flights available and compare them to find the ones that suit your needs. Not only this, but you can also plan your entire journey according to your own custom needs and perfect stops. Let's enter our next prompt saying plan a road trip from Rome to Switzerland with 5 stops in between. Hit enter and you can see that the AI is now planning our route on Google Maps. To see what the AI is doing in real time, click here and you can see that our route is marked on the map and you can read what the AI is doing on the right. On the left, you can see our starting point is Rome and the final stop is Switzerland, and the AI has added 3 stops so far and is trying to decide the other 2 stops that we asked for. You can see the AI is adding our next stop in real time, and just like before, this process will take some time depending on a lot of factors. After a while, you can see our road trip is planned with correct start and end locations with 5 stops, and this entire journey will be about 930 kilometers, taking about 12 hours. You will also find some extra information on the right. Let's see our next use case, and that is finding the best product prices by going through multiple e-commerce platforms. You can also compare different products in the same platform to choose which one to buy, and we will see both these use cases. For now, open the assistant by clicking here and you can see we have some pre-built prompts. I will click on the one that says compare prices across sites. Comet will go and check the prices of MacBook Air across different platforms and give a short summary comparing the prices. Now, let's ask the AI to compare this MacBook Air with the Asus TUF A16 open in the next tab. You can see the AI is checking our tabs, and now we have a detailed comparison of both the products in terms of price, processor, RAM, storage, display and everything else that you can think of. This way, you will be able to purchase the best product and also know which platform is offering it at the best price. To demonstrate the next use case, I have opened HubSpot, which is basically a CRM tool, and I want to open the template marketplace that this website offers. But you can see that it is not very easy to locate the marketplace. So instead of looking for it manually, I will just tell the Comet assistant to look for it. And as always, the AI will take control and start looking for templates. You can see there is this blue outline here, which basically means that the AI is controlling this page right now. And you can click here on pause if you want to stop it. You can see that the AI has gone through the entire website and found the template marketplace that I was looking for. Now, you can find whatever you are looking for in a website without even scrolling or clicking any buttons. Our next use case is editing spreadsheets. You can see I have some data here and I want to calculate the average of this scores, but maybe I don't know the formula. So I will tell the AI assistant to give the formula and we have it right away. I will copy paste it here and hit enter, and you can see we have our average score. I will now simply drag it down and you can see we have the average of other students as well. You can use this method to apply all types of formulas in spreadsheets and format it according to your own needs. Similarly, you can use Comet to edit your notes or documents. I have a short paragraph here that is grammatically incorrect. I will ask the AI to correct it and you can see we have the correct version here. But I want it to be reflected in the original paragraph. So I will just ask the AI to replace the original paragraph with the correct one, and this is just an example that if you provide the AI with short prompts, it will do an incomplete task. But if you provide a more detailed prompt, it will do exactly what you wanted it to do. You can see after providing the second prompt, our paragraph has been fixed. And you can use this method to not only correct grammatical errors but also extract information from large documents, find and replace words, separate paragraphs, highlight or underline keywords, and much more. Our next use case is filling forms. Sometimes we'll need to fill out multiple forms and all of them keep asking for the same information. In this case, you can just provide your data to the assistant and it will automatically fill the data in the correct places. For this demonstration, I have uploaded a random resume from the web and told the AI to fill this form. And you can see as soon as I hit enter, the AI is reading our data and it has started filling out the details on the form. You can see that it does it very quickly and leaves the blanks that it has no information about. You can fill out these later, but the best part is now you don't have to go and type the entire form. Just let AI do it and check it once before submitting. Another amazing use case of Perplexity Comet is you can connect your Gmail account or Notion account and retrieve information without having to go through all the mails. Just type the prompt saying show me the latest Gmail that I received and it will ask you to connect your Gmail ID, and after connecting you will be able to retrieve any old email just by providing a prompt and not search your entire inbox. Of course you can use the Gmail search bar, but using Comet will give you more control not only in Gmail but all the other apps that you connect. You can even type your emails using Comet and send it directly without opening Gmail or typing your messages. Now let's talk about the final use case, which is not really a use case but an amazing feature that the Comet browser offers. It allows you to use voice mode and you can control everything just by talking to Comet. To use it, click here and the voice mode is enabled. You can see it is waking up. Now you can start talking. Hi, can you introduce yourself?
Sure, I'm your AI assistant, here to help you find information, manage your browser, and answer your questions. Just let me know what you need help with today.
Okay, can you tell me something about the iPhone 17?
The iPhone 17 features a more powerful A18 Bionic chip, improved camera technology with enhanced night mode and 8K video recording, and longer battery life. It also includes a more durable design and new software features enhancing user experience.
Great. Now find the iPhone 17 launch video on YouTube. You can see it does everything properly. Now take me to the Apple website.
I've opened the official Apple website for you. You can explore all the latest information about Apple products and updates there.
As you saw, you don't even have to type the prompts, just say whatever you want to do and the AI will do everything for you. So, these were all the amazing use cases of Perplexity's Comet browser. You can start using it from the link in the description, and as I already said, if you use a student email ID, you will get access to the Pro plan for free. If you want to watch a step-by-step detailed tutorial on how to download the Comet browser, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.